So welcome to Fabian Electrical Masterclass episode 7. Today we're covering sub-panel wiring and neutral isolation under the OESC 2024. And again, also as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the life. It's important. So we'll start with why sub-panel matter in residential and commercial wiring and why proper setup prevents safety hazards. A lot of times we see panel wiring in the homes. Basically, sub panels are created when you basically need extra space inside of the panel. You don't have enough room in the main panel that create a sub panel. A lot of times the bonding strap harming. A pretty much a rule that we follow where when the sub panel comes into effect, we're basically going to remove the bonding straps. I'm going to also show a couple of videos. Hopefully I can share them through the live. Um, so it's created through the actual when you're doing the sub panel, you basically remove the bonding strap from the panel in order to make it safe. There's one point of bonding, which is either at the main disconnect or the panel itself. Reason for the why we bond it, you'll see also the ground plate that that's right here actually on the screen. The ground plate, that's where the bonding comes in to effect. You normally take that ground plate, place it into the ground, and essentially you're going to use a number 6 to take it to the main compartment. Um, so again, that's how the bonding goes. So I'm just going to so I'm just going to be going through some stuff here. Um, so again, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream, and also neutral isolation in an electrical panel, especially involve separating the neutral bar from the ground bar. That's where we're getting in. The neutral bar must be kept separate from the ground bar in sub panels. Neutral isolation is an electrical, specifically they are not connected except at the main electrical panel. This prevents normal and fault currents from flowing imbalanced electrical fields by creating multiple paths for current. And that's pretty dangerous because you could be working on the neutral and you could get zap off of it. Many times that happens, especially when you're resting on the duct itself. So proper isolation ensures that the ground wire serves only as a safety path for. This video explains how grounds and neutrals are separated in sub panels. So I'm going to run a video, and you're going to see how I did my sub panel. And it's, why isolation is necessary. It basically prevents shots and fire hazards. By keeping neutral and ground separate, you prevent current from flowing on the metal enclosure or other parts of the sub panel. If current flows through the ground wire, um, it can energize these components, creating short or fire risk. As we all know, avoid ground loops. Connecting neutral and ground in a sub panel creates a ground loop. This allows current to flow back to the main panel via both the neutral and the equipment grounding conductor, potentially causing problems with the electrical field and adding hazards. That's a lot of times. That's why you see that we have the neutral bar and the ground bar. They serve two different things. They don't serve the same purposes. Uh, Electrical code requires neutral isolation in sub-panels for safety. And how we achieve isolation. A sub-panel must have a 4-wire feeder, 2 hot, 1 neutral, 1 ground to properly separate the ground and the neutral. And a lot of times, that's why you will see that for the neutral and the sub-panel must have a separate neutral bar that is electrically isolated from the panel metal enclosure. And again, I spoke about the bonding straps. The bonding straps or a screw that connects to the panel enclosure must be removed or not installed. I've got a couple sure an example of how it's done. Um, Grounding conductors, again, they terminate the neutral conductors terminate on the isolated neutral bar, which you'll see somehow connected, and you can't miss it. For all those who are tuned in to the live stream, so I'm going to, like I said, run a couple of videos here. It comes to the separation. So again, life, yeah, actual algorithm itself. So again, we're going to be going into the I'm going to go into the one video here where you're going to see can stream this tonight here. Hmm. So sorry again about that. It's been doing this for the last couple of nights here. So let's see here. Um, Here's the again. Hi, wifey. Again, thank you for checking in to the live stream, and also thank you for the continuous support towards the channel. booting me out. Again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in. 9 to 5 boss, bless up yourself. Thank you for checking in to the live stream. Also, Munch British, thank you for checking into the live stream and showing the support towards your channel. It's I don't normally go live around this time, so maybe go live tonight around this time. Kind of got home a little bit early, so run some videos here, but for some reason the StreamYard is booting me out. Does it constantly, so I'm going to actually try to play one of the videos where I can demonstrate the bonding, the bonding. So again, I'll let this live stream and also for the support towards the channel. So hello again and welcome back to Fabian Electrical Services. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. So let's dive right into it. What I'm doing today is going to be an installation. It's going to be the installation of the 400 amp disconnect. The disconnect is mounted already, and what I use for the installation is simply bolts. I made sure I secured the 2x4 on the back end to give it the extra secure to the wall, firm and nice. I don't want the electrical installation to come off the wall in any type or sort. Again, the cable, the electrical conduit that I'm using is going to be the AC conductor. We call it tech cable, and there are parallel runs that's being run from the outdoor meter base. Again, what I like to do with installation like this is I like to make sure that I keep that white sheeting that's there on before I like to keep it on once I land my conductors inside of the panel. I'm going to remove that white sheeting. I also make sure to put my ground bushing on first. This installation is going to come with the ground bushing connection. Reason being is the ground wire has to be grounded off to the actual ground clamp. Ground connection has to be grounded off. I have to make sure that, as you can see in the on the left hand side, you're going to see the other installation. You're going to see my wire is grounded off onto the ground bushing. It is in code compliance. It is a code rule that states that. It is inside of the electrical code book where you would find it. You just have to search. And again, if for all those who are pretty interested in the video, all the apprentices out there, all the journeymans, all the master electricians, DIY guys, homeowners, if you ever need to find out a code rule and you simply cannot find it, you can simply leave a comment in the comment section, and I would guide you through the process. So again, the installation reason that the disconnect is here and not the 400 amp panel is because of the code rule that states anything that's within 5 feet of the electrical panel of the meter base shall have a installation of the panel right away. But when it comes to any installation, electrical installation that's more than that's more than 5 feet away from the actual electrical disconnect that's located outside of the home. It has to have a means of disconnect. So the main electrical 400 amp panel is located inside of the electrical room, inside of the basement of the home, and it's more than 40 feet away from the meter base. So the reason is I have to install my disconnect per code for my to stay within my electrical code compliance. So as you can see, the reason why I stated that I like to keep the white paper on is it simply helps with the cable. As you can see, the cable is locked in place. Once you disassemble that, it gives you a lot more problems to get the cable inside of the connector. So again, that's why I always make sure I land my cables inside of the disconnect, inside of the connectors, and I make sure that I remove that. Then what I go ahead and do is I simply ground off my ground. I do my groundings. So this is a grounding and bonding installation. There are two different things when it comes to bonding and grounding. Serve two different applications. So never get that confused. Also, you're going to see I have my phasing tape on my cable. Reason is this cable does not come with identify neutral, and in the code book it simply states that your incoming neutral has to be identified. There is a rule where you electrical code rule, code compliance, that states that a particular size of cable we must identify up to. So this is what I am doing here, identifying my conductors with the white tape that is being used. It's always best to have also your line and loads coming in to be separated. Never have them touching each other. It is a code compliance rule that states that your feed that's coming in, your main feed, is not supposed to come in contact with your actual load side that's going out. So for this reason, you're going to see the installation. I'm also going to be using my flat screwdrivers, Robbie screwdriver. Most of the time in this installation, I use my bigger screwdrivers to get the full torquing. Again, also what I like to use is my Milwaukee drills. Very handy, never fails me, gets the job done on a daily basis. Also, set of Allen keys is what is required. A lot of times I use my regular Allen key sets for installation like this. When it comes to the outdoor meter base, I often use another Allen key. Is more of a bigger Allen key that I have. Hopefully I can get to show you guys that on one of my videos. It comes in handy, gets the job done, helps with the risk a lot when it comes to the installation. So again, also this is a part of my videos. There are other videos that I have out there that are has the full installation when it comes to landing my wires. It does have the full installation. You just have to check through my videos to find the other part of this installation. There are many other parts to it, about 3 or 4 other videos that's there. And again, I would like to thank you guys all for tuning into Fabian Electrical. And again, don't forget to like up the video. You can also subscribe to the channel, or you can also become a member. And I will catch you guys on the next installation from Fabian Electrical. channel. And I also like to thank 9 to 5 Boss checking into the channel and supporting the channel, and also Munch British for checking into the channel for the first time, and also for supporting the channel. So I'm going to, that was a video of a little bit of grounding and bounding uh, in the main compartment when it comes to your feeders coming in and having an actual um, 400 amp disconnect in between the actual meter, your meter, and your actual panel that's located further away. Also, the picture that you're seeing here on the screen, you're going to see the ground plate is normally what we use here in Canada to bring our grounding inside of the home. So I'm going to show you you can miscalculate what you actually need for the actual panel itself. So it's always best to double check your load more than the actual feeder that's going to be feeding the sub panel. So again, and also is best relate to the code book Ontario OESC 2020 wires, how you get to your wires sizing, how you get to your breaker sizing. It's basically in the back of the book, and I'm going to run a video of the little bit of the neutral isolation here. Hello again and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video what we simply have is I'm going to be phasing my wires, which will be my neutral wires. Reason being is because the cable, which is a white cable, is not identified in this video, and the type of wires that I'm using, there is no white cable, so required by code I have to identify my white cable with tape, and that's what I will be doing in this video. So again, go ahead and sit back and enjoy the video till the end. Hello again and welcome back to my channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for subscribing to the channel, and also for those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also make sure that your notification is turned to all, and also you can like and share the video, and I will catch you guys at the end of the video. So again, also keep in mind that this service that I have here is a 400 amp main installation, and required by code, I have to run parallel feeds. So the cables that you see on the top, they are parallel feeds. So keep that in mind. When it comes to a 400 amp service, we require to run two parallel feeds, which is in the code book. So again, I would like to thank you all for tuning in to my video and the continuing support of the channel in order to let the channel grow and get out into the world, so my content can be discovered and allow it to help many others out there, as far as who are in the trade and are seeking a little bit of knowledge. I hope this video does make it to you, and you are well informed after the video. So again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into the video, taking the time out to support the videos and the live streams again. So just like I said, enjoy the video. So again, for all those who are tuned into the video, this is a 400 amp service, and the reason why I'm using the tape is simply because, like I said, there's a code rule where the neutral unidentified conductor has to be identified, and because it's not. So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. So again, I'd like to thank you guys. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live stream. Helps with the algorithm, and the previous video that was showed, you will see. So I'm going to play another video here. It's going to be a 10-minute video. Um, and in Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. In today's video, I'm just going to be tying in my circuits into the panel. So some of these cables I have to be careful because I'm not going to be tying in everything into the panel. This wire here is basically a 20 amp. It's going to be a 20 amp receptacle. So as you can see, I use my pliers to strip my wire, which is more easier for me. It's just a trick I learned throughout the years. I'm sure every other electrician knows about it also. I'm going to be keeping this here on because it has the marking on it and I don't want to lose it. And once I'm ready to label the panel, I will cut this off. You can see I made my holes so I can come from here and go straight into the panel. It just makes the panel look a little bit neater with my holes instead of me coming down on this plywood and installing my wires. It's this way it looks more neater. As you can see, everything is lined up, comes out of my holes, goes right into the panel. So this here is not marked, so I will have to, actually it is marked, it's way back here. this here, the marking is right here, so I'm going to try to keep the excess that I need so I can label. Obviously I don't need all of this wire, so I'm going to be cutting it short. Just what I need for the panel. This is a 20 amp cable, which is going to be landed on this 20 amp breaker, okay? This wire was before for a heater, floor heater on the main floor, but we don't have it anymore. They're basically using what is called a heated flooring through the tubes. So I no longer require this wire for a heating cable. So hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's live stream the channel. Again, I never cut 3 wires at the same time. Always one for one. switch here, so I'm just going to shift this breaker up. And voila, that's another exciting video. Also, please like, share, and comment. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hey, Mafia Bob. Um, I am Gamer Hurt. How's it going? Thanks for tuning into the channel. Ex-Keo Valdez. Again, thank you. I think you're new to the channel. And Ryan Lohman. Um, thank you guys for leaving a comment in the live stream. So again, I'm not really sure where you guys are from, but at, obviously not everyone would know about it, but with the correct running of the cable, I can basically turn off from here if I wanted to, turn on from here, and again turn off from that location if I wanted to use, if I wanted to control the lights from 3 locations or 4 locations or 5 locations. Again, it all depends on your power wire and your return wire. Power wire is the wire you feed the switch to power it up, and the return is the wire that basically goes up to the light. And so this area was a lot messier before, and so this area, those are my yeah, a movement TV. um, so this area here is this is going to have a panel here. This is going to be built in, and so you're not going to see this panel. And those wires are basically my security wires, and the wires on the top are basically for my data um, inside of each bedroom, and these are the wires here are the for the speakers on the main floor and the second floor, and the blue cable is for the cameras. Uh, so again, I'm not the one who did the camera system. I'm quite capable of, but uh, I'm pretty sure if the homeowner knew, he would have given me the that job also. But um, it would have been too much for me. So sometimes I try not to take on too much that I can't handle. Yeah, definitely. Anything is possible once you put your mind to it. This is a kids' playroom here, right? And again, the reason why I have the two lights is because I don't want to. There's one pot light here, and there's another pot light. The reason why you can see two pot lights alone uh, basically powers up this room and it gives it enough light for people to work in. So I didn't really want to continue with the lighting because, as you see, once the guys start to spray, they're going to spray all over the lights, and I simply um, I can remove those lights, use them somewhere else as temporary lights. Obviously, I'm not going to use them at the end of the job. Um, and yeah, so I'll show you guys who hasn't seen it before. Also, uh, so yeah, I'm not done here yet. Unfortunately, I'm still I'm going to be here for a while. Look like, and so this area here, I have to, as you can see, I started my pot lights here. Um, so once I get my free up time, I have to build this scaffold out here to finish off my lighting up here. As you can see, it's pretty high, but um, heights don't really scare me. So I have my fair share of heights, so I'm accustomed to heights. And this here is basically a kitchen. Two speakers on the outside.
Costumes starting at $10.98 each, and adult Halloween costumes starting at $19.98. Shop online or in store today. Walmart. Live in, live better.
job. So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like the live. Hello, welcome back to the channel. You guys come in. Don't forget to like up the live. OESC 2024. The 5 minute rule for pool bounding means you must bound all metal. Lights, metals, even walkway rebar. Under the Canadian Electrical Code OESC 2024, the 5 minute rule for pool bounding means you must bound all metal. Under the Canadian Electrical Code OESC 2024, the 5 minute rule for pool bounding means you must bound all metal. Lights, metals, even walkway rebar. Under the Canadian Electrical Code OESC 2024, the 5 minute rule for pool bounding means you must bound all metal rebar. Electrical Code OESC 2024, the Okay, hello and good morning to all my subscribers. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video. I'm basically going to be prepping for my service 400 amp panel.
please, hello and welcome again. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is basically my 400 amp panel, which I removed all the components from inside so I can open the panel. You can see this is panel covers that I had to remove in order to mount the panel on the plywood.
logging off the live stream. Too many StreamYard is I don't know. I can't get a proper live streaming. So um, this keeps booting me out for some reason every video. So I'm not sure what's going on with for supporting the channel. And again, for all you guys who has subscribed to the channel, you can also become a member of the channel. And don't forget to like up the live stream. And I'll catch you guys on the next